Are you tired of losing critical data in a sea of rows? Master conditional formatting in Smartsheet and let colors do the scanning for you. We'll create a rule from scratch. Pick a column, set a condition, choose a format, and apply it. Follow these steps. Navigate to the Smartsheet homepage. Then open the sheet you want to work with. Click the grid or conditional formatting icon at top right. Now click on Add New Rule. Click Set Condition. Select the column you want to apply the condition to. Next, choose the criteria from the dropdown, or define custom criteria. Click OK to confirm the condition. Now, choose your formatting style. You can make the text bold, or italic, among other options. Finally, click OK to save your rule, and you're all set. If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.